So now that I've got my extruded coils ready to go, I need to let that handle set up over something that's round so that I have a nice even curve to the handle. If you try to do it by hand, you're probably not going to end up with a nice even curve. So I'm going to take a little bit of my coil here, and I'm going to use a coffee can, but you can use anything that's got a nice cylindrical shape. I'm going to lay it over it, cut enough off so that it can go all the way around, and I go ahead and shape it down around the bottoms of the can. Now this handle can be cut later on, so it doesn't really matter how far apart these are because I'm going to deal with that when I get to that point. But this needs to set up for a little while so that it'll be hard enough that it'll retain its shape when I go ahead and put it on the teapot. So I'm going to set this aside and let this harden while I go ahead and do the spouts on my teapots.